Hi mga ateret! So, get ready with me while gagawin ko yung activity namin sa empowerment technology. Bakit parang namumutla ako? Wait lang. So, ayun guys, nag-starbomb lang muna ako from Lucky Beauty kasi para talaga namumutla ka ganina sa camera. Siguro sa lighting na rin yun. Pero, ayun na nga, let's start this video. So, yung first requirements nung activity is a brief introduction of yourself. So, guys, my name is Clint Lee. Nakatira kami sa 139 A. Rodriguez. I'm living with my mom and other relatives sa ibang bahay, pero magkakalapit lang kami. I'm 16 years old and was born in September 11, 2008. I really enjoy having a big family na kasama mo sa isang bahay kasi it feels very lively. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako mag-sunscreen and nag-apply na rin ako ng concealer. I-blend out ko na lang siya even further. Now, yung 3 interesting things about me is, number 1, I really like makeup, like dolling myself up, ganon, taking care of myself kasi it feels like a form of therapy, ganon, and it's very relaxing. Yun yung isa sa mga interesting things about me. Second is, I really like video games then. And third interesting fact about me is, I've never been in any romantic relationships. I know it's very rare for our generation right now dahil halos lahat ata ngayon ng kabataan ay jowang-jowa or hindi nakapag-function ng walang partner. Moving on sa third requirements, what is or are my goals in this class? My goals are very simple. Number 1 is to learn, of course, about technology even further, and I want to strive and do my best para makasali ulit ako sa with honor. So I hope na mag-excel ako sa class na to, and I hope then na yung mga matututunan ko is ma-apply ko sa aking daily life, or if not daily, at least once in a while or from time to time. Now, moving on to the fourth and final requirement, your image of a media and information literate Filipino. I find this question very misleading or confusing, but in my understanding, I think it's asking for a conceptual image or a word portrait. So if that were the case, if it's really asking for a conceptual image or a word portrait of what is a media and information literate Filipino, I think it is someone who understands how to critically assess, analyze, evaluate, and create information using various forms of media. For example, they are the Filipino students who double checks before sharing on social media. They fact check things before they started sharing it to other people to avoid the spread of fake news. Since I'm very invested about the topic given and I really enjoyed this activity, I forgot to finish my makeup. So, I think I'm just gonna put a time lapse here and I'm gonna show the results at the end. Oh me, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh me, oh my. Oh yeah, I wanna make you mine. Okay guys, this is me with lashes na, pero ipa-finalize ko pa tong look ko na to and mag-change outfit ako. I-flex ko sa inyo after.
Mahaba ang buhok, maamo ang mukha. Maladyosa raw sa ganda ang batang ito.
Ang ganda mo naman, paa mo lang ako eh.